In this video, I'm gonna be explaining to you guys about TikTok video sizes, like the limit, the ratio, the pixel, and like the time duration and other stuff. So watch this video carefully until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on all this stuff, okay? So yeah, before I start this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing first, if you shoot a video using a mobile camera and it is less than 60 seconds, then basically you are set to go. You can basically upload it in TikTok without any problem. But if you are using another camera like a DSLR or like other professional camera, then you might run into some problems. So let me show you an example. This video, as you guys can see how this video is cropped over here, right? And if I go up here, as you guys can see how this video is full screen. So the difference between this is shot using my phone camera and this is shot using another camera, okay? Now remember, the video shown over here is cropped, but if this video was played in YouTube, then it's gonna be played in full screen. So as you guys can see, the aspect ratio between TikTok and YouTube is different. So the aspect ratio in TikTok is 9:16 or 1:1 with sidebars. That's basically the aspect ratio of TikTok. And the recommended dimension of TikTok video is 1080 into 1920 pixel. And the maximum video length is 15 seconds for a single recording and up to 60 seconds for several videos combined into one post. And the file size, like the size of the video which you can upload, is 287.6 MB for Mac or iOS, that means for Apple device, and for Android it's 72 MB max. So yeah, and the supported format is MP4 and MOV. That means you cannot upload MP3 on TikTok. MP3 means audio only. You need to upload a video. So these are like the limit, ratio, pixels. So like the video which is full screen on YouTube is gonna be cropped in TikTok. If you click a video, like you click a photo in like a portrait mode, then it's gonna work fine. But if you click a video in landscape mode, then it's gonna be cropped. Like TikTok cannot show like a big video just like in YouTube, because it doesn't has like a big window to show it to you. It only has like a sidebar. So that's basically it. So if you click a video with your phone which is like below 60 seconds, you're like basically good to go. But for other, as I told you, all the aspect ratio, recommended dimension and other stuff, just keep that in mind. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.